let us create an universal coupling assembly using Catia. It's the exercise number 2 in automobile engineering drawing, diploma level. First, let us start the assembly design workbench and let us change the properties. For the name, this is universal coupling assembly. Okay. Let us insert a subproduct, new product in this subproduct. Let us rename it. Go to the properties. Let us give the part. Okay, the product. Okay, product instant name as fork assembly. Let us give fork sub assembly. Okay, apply. Okay. There are two similar things. Okay, fork sub assembly. Fork assembly sub assembly. Okay, and let us, since it is highlighted, it is now active. Let us insert the existing component except the center. Okay, this all goes to that fork subassembly. Let's explode it in the 2D type level. Okay, apply it. Now let us assemble one by one. Let us give coincidence constraint to this pin. Okay, and again let's give surface contact of this to this. Okay, let us give coincidence constraint of this. Let us give coincidence constraint of this surface to this surface. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is right. Okay, again let's give a parallel constraint. Okay, from this to this to this. Okay, let's give a constraint, but not that actually. Let's change the constraint type to let this to be parallel. Okay, let us see whether it is going correct. Yes, but in the opposite direction. Okay, now it's okay, seems okay. Now let's give a coincident constraint with this. Okay, assembled. Let us assemble another part in this sub-assembly, the collar. Okay, then again let's give coincidence constraint to this pins, taper pins hole to the same taper pins hole in the collar and pin. Okay, now it's done. Now let us assemble this pin to this axis. Let us give offset distance of some 5 mm. Okay, let's see, in the same direction. Okay, let us see whether it works. Yes. Okay, and let us assemble the key. Okay, let's give surface, let's give coincidence constraint of this to this surface. Okay, let us see whether it works. Let's give in the same. Okay, now it's okay. Let's give coincidence constraint to this surface or surface contacts constraint to this surface. Let us see it works. Yeah. Then let us give surface contact between this and this surface. Okay, assembly. This is our sub-assembly. Let us save it so that we can reuse it. Fork sub-assembly is saved. And at the same time, if you save this after double clicking, this universal coupling assembly will also be. Now we have created a sub-assembly. We are going to create the main assembly parts one by one. Let us insert the existing component center. Okay, first let us apply the coincident constraint to these two, and then angle offset to this plane, axis to this as 180 degrees. Okay, and the surface contact of this to this. Okay, let us assemble the sub-assembly, fork sub-assembly in this. Okay, the fork sub-assembly. Okay, and now we are going to apply an angle contact. This surface to this surface, let us keep it 180 degrees, opposite and facing. Okay, okay. Now let us give coincident constraint to this axis to this axis. Okay, let's give a surface contact constraint from this to this. Okay. Okay, everything looks fine. This is how we have to create an assembly of universal coupling. Okay, thank you for watching.